Alright, recording now.
I just screened it too. So we got a record of
so
everything.
many habits, dude.
Yeah, Capone's got to get one too. While we're up here.
Dude, I don't even know. I'll buy it and it will be gone.
No, well, just don't crash it, man. That's all you gotta do. And even if you do crash it, it's fine. So, it's kind of retard proof.
That's funny.
Make them say,
Turn those lights on, don't want to get pulled over.
Should I wait till 6.0 to buy one? Won't it be cheaper?
No.
6.0 is not coming out until fucking, like, next year, so.
Well, I sold all my cars.
Why did we think it was coming out today?
I don't know.
That's coming out today.
I don't believe that. They've been saying that. They lost my hope already.
At least that's what was said, but we don't know.
I thought it was coming out last weekend. That's when I was all excited about it. We're going to oil first.
Yeah, go ahead and lead the way.
Shit, my heavy transport's on the chop list.
All of ours are, you mean?
Yeah,
it's
the transport?
box.
Transfers.
Fuck, I need a blood bag too, god damn it. I can't go into town like this.
Oh, it's that road. My bad.
I got your shit. One.
Thank you.
NVGs.
Yeah, that's the ones you got.
That guy's a whole fuck. Right. These little houses right here are pretty cool to buy and shoot. You guys go ahead and sell and I'll go post up somewhere.
Is anybody going into Cavallo Square?
Yes,
No,
sir.
right now. Alright, I'm ready. Lead us to the ATM, the closest one, the back ATM. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
One by the gun shop.
Alright, well I gotta
He has
go
a little
into
bit
town.
to sell. Hold on.
I need to fucking hit the hospital, and I need a fucking bigger backpack and shit.
Alright, we're about to go to the jewelry store, so just meet us.
ATM, then jewelry store.
Yeah.
Getting ready to hit the oil trader. Coming in like a big boy. Incoming.
Oh, how you doing, big boy? Alright.
We deposit into the gang thing.
Nah. Just, what do you guys want to do with the money? Write down what you had. I remember.
Hey, look, Michael.
I got 106.50 right now.
Which one?
Well, hello guys.
Alright, 106k right now.
Yeah, 106,500.
Hey Michael, what's up?
Nothing much. Good to see a bunch of guys on.
Hell yeah. Whoops, didn't mean to walk in.
You guys
But,
up?
go ahead.
Excavating.
How much did you get, Red?
Fucking excavating.
129.
Oh, who's new here? The home.
Yeah, how's it going, dude? Yeah, I'm new.
Cool deal, man. Welcome.
Thanks, man.
Man, he's almost in Denver. Come on, you're too late. Get out of here.
So 106,500, and then whatever he had so far, that's just from oil.
106 plus 129, right?
I guess just split those flawlesses before you start to sell them. You could just took them out and put them all in one truck.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter if you guys just.
Yeah, just
money
remember
together and that's cool.
106, 129.
Oh, we're not splitting it anyway. We're just fucking. He's got that truck. I got this one.
The 235.
Says-
235 is what we made so far.
Wait, we're not splitting it. We're just gonna do it
Back
like
said,
that.
"Come on, bro."
Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Look on this little edge.
Who the hell is Spaded this?
Probably Michael.
What kind of fucking name is that? Why do you have a space in your name, you douchebag?
And it's
What?
Spider Biscuit.
There's a truck behind you guys. Got people in
And I
it.
also have that
Alright.
space. Fuck you.
Yeah, he's coming in behind you.
Keep driving,
Get ready.
guys. I'm
Get
loaded
ready.
and I'm coming.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I'm coming.
Yo, you're glitch, motherfucker. Yeah, he shot it. Yeah, he shot it.
This red truck?
No, I killed him. His name was Zeus.
Who's this red truck?
Philip. I looked like a cop, really. Do I look like a fucking cop?
I think he's getting rezzed or something. I don't know.
I'm blood transfusioning real quick, you guys.
Hey, you guys don't have a group up?
Yeah, it's pie.
Alright.
It's locked. Hold on a second.
Alright.
Oh my god, there's a guy coming from behind. He has a gun.
Hey, I can get to you guys as soon as I figure out where you are.
Yo, these two guys in black suits are coming for you right now. I lost them, but there's two of them.
Are you guys at the excavating site?
No, we're selling at the jewelry store.
Oh, fuck.
Watch out, there's a car out there.
Get out of here right now.
Hurry up and sell, guys. I hear an SUV coming in the front. Watch the front.
Defragments.
And I'm getting a lot of fucking frame spikes.
I'm coming. I don't think you guys need my help. Hey Dan, you'd be happy to know I bought a house and I have a crate.
Oh my god, with the standing in the door.
Yeah, I gotta stay out of the doorway. Alright, this side's clear so far, guys. I'm keeping watching this.
Yeah, there's two guys that ran on the left side right here. I haven't seen
You're
them
hot
peek
micing,
back out.
man.
My bad. Fucked up.
Anybody here got a bounty?
I just got a 50k for killing that guy.
Okay, just trying to verify before I know who comes here. Are you selling?
No.
Alright. Do we have the front door watched?
I could get it, but I'd worry about the back right now.
One. Yeah, I'm watching the back on this side. Juan, where you at, man?
I'm at the excavation spot right now, being diamonds.
What the hell are you doing there? I hear silent shots at the HQ.
I hear that too.
Alright, I'm hearing off-road. North. We got a guy coming up from the north right now in the front of the store. He looks to have something. Yeah.
Put your hands up, kid. Hands up. Hands up.
Hey, chill out, buddy, bro. You don't want this.
Hands up.
Alright, we ain't gonna rob you. We just want you to get the fuck out
Get out of town, dude.
Hey, Prox, bro.
Why do you want me after town?
SUV, guys.
Can you unrestrain me, sir?
Cops. Hide your guns.
Unrestrain me?
Hide your guns.
Then get out of here.
Put your guns in your bag, guys.
Okay, officer, don't stress.
Let me unrestrained. Unrestrain me. Unrestrain me.
Alright, I'm coming up on you guys if I don't show up on the map.
Hold on. We're just selling. I know. I want it. You don't listen. You don't need to restrain me. Hold on. Oh my fucking
Can you please unrestrain me? This man restrained me for no reason.
Okay, Zeus is back, guys, and he's with the two cops up here, so be careful.
Two people coming in the back with guns. Two people.
Not fuck it up. We're getting robbed by people, and I'm the only person that help them out.
Hey, officer.
Hands up.
Not
Rob.
Think anybody.
I didn't try to rob you. I
Oh shit. I found almost stuff.
No.
He shot at me first. He told me to get out of the car.
No.
Alright, how you guys doing?
I'm coming back to you guys. I booked it.
Alright, I'm coming in. Watch out, we hear gunshots.
You weren't using self-defense. Shot at
I got 422,000. Add that to the total, Zed.
Alright, so there's 2 helmet boxers driving around.
I don't want to deal with this shit right now for 50k bounty.
Might as well just pay it, man.
In,
We can get that, just pay it.
Park it to the side, and he was
Yo, can I just pay my bounty and
kind
leave?
of wall, and
Alright,
told me to
you
put
go
my
on.
hands up. So I then left beside my truck and initiated fire because
Too much, man.
he
For
tried to
50k
shoot
bounty,
me
I
down
don't
my
know.
car. Then he ended
Well,
up
We really don't have time. We really don't have time to listen to this kid.
Dude, from what they're telling me is that it's kind of true because all these helmets are theirs and you're over here with a weapon.
All I did was
I'm
simply
a
tell you to
bounty
leave,
hunter
and you
looking for
kept.
bounties.
Well, none of us had bounties until I killed you.
Oh, where you
Yeah.
are.
I was
Alright,
driving.
that maybe that's who I wanted.
There goes the Katiba.
Where the hell is this ATM over here? I don't see it.
But I'm a,
Where are you guys going with that money? Where are you guys putting it?
regular accounts. We're just gonna add the tally up. I got 422, 140.54.
I think I'm gonna have to check my recording. I got about 470, I think.
Michael, join the group, man. I need to see that mark.
And I understand it's illegal.
Hold on, I gotta unlock
But,
it.
you know, I don't like that stuff being taken from me.
It's
I don't
unlocked.
like being restrained. And then having some cops take my weapon I'm not killing them with. I'm protecting myself.
No, I don't
Nothing
know.
wrong with it. You know,
Hey, I got a flashbang
I
on.
know, I
Make
know
sure
it's
to just
illegal,
throw it in the
but
middle
the
of you guys.
last time I
We're
had an
almost
illegal
done,
weapon,
dude.
I had to do a trial by combat.
Oh, come on, be funny.
That sounds alright.
We're almost
That sounds
done
alright
here.
to
I'm
you?
dropping the money right now
What are you
in
guys
the bank.
doing? You guys doing diamonds, jewelry? What's going on?
We're
Doing
doing
jewelry,
obviously
man.
what we're dressed for, sir. We're shipping diamonds and jewelry up to this
K Jewelers.
requested a few
You guys-
shipments, and this is
Are
what
you
we're
guys
doing.
doing it from the shipwrecks?
When are we doing it from the
begins
shipwreck?
with K.
Yeah, K Jewelers had a big order come in.
Rhetorical question? No, no, sir. I wear a diving suit on the regular.
No, let me throw it.
That put me over a mill.
So, what's
Congrats, dude. We busted out those freaking diamonds that one.
I mean, I keep it in my
That I'm gonna
backpack.
make.
Did they split the flawlesses between us? I didn't even notice.
We seized the weapon and we will pardon you.
I don't know. I think we're gonna do a tally.
Um,
I know I had
How about I
129 and
keep
then
the weapon and you
422.
don't pardon me?
Yeah, best thing to do next time is just.
Or
Then,
Just
Just have them pardon
if
you,
you
dude.
don't do that, we're gonna have to add additional charges on, sir,
Yeah, just have them pardon you, bro.
and take the weapon anyways. So that's why we're trying.
I don't want to go to fucking Rebel and get this. Oh my god.
Can we
Doesn't
just
matter,
a
we can get
pardon
it
on
again.
this guy? He's over here trying
Just
to
take
help
it,
us
bro.
out.
I'll get you to
Take it.
Take
I'll
it, man.
buy
Take
you
it.
a-
Yeah, it's
At
not
this
much.
time, Zed, we're gonna be seizing your weapon, sir, and we'll be giving you a pardon.
Do I get to keep my? Oh,
That's cool, Zed. I'll buy it for you again, bro.
Well, when we do seize it, it does.
Weapon-wise, we're pretty much good, except for a case and ammo.
With my legal pistol. Alright.
Alright, Chang. Juan, I'm coming out for you, man.
For it, flawless.
Are we gonna try to get another run in or what?
Yeah, we could try.
Before we start?
When the 10-minute mark hits, then we go sell.
Yeah, we'll go sell. I'd say 15.
I feel like this